Now let's talk about division by fractions. So we deal with fractions, people get scared of them, and they're really not that scary. We want to stay away from turning it into its decimal form, especially this 1/3, because if you turn it into its decimal form, it becomes a repeating decimal. You have to round it, and then it's more of an approximation rather than an exact number. So you want to keep it as a decimal or a fraction. The general rule of thumb is keep it, change it, flip it. That's just kind of the memorization, the tool people use to remember how to do that. So you always keep the same number, change division into multiplication, and then you find the reciprocal of the second number, which is 3/1, or just 3. And now you can just multiply 6 times 3, which is 18. They're both positive, so your answer will be positive. Same process here. We do have a negative and a positive, so our answer will end up being negative. We're still going to apply the keep it, change it, flip it. So we'll keep the -5/4, change the division to multiplication, and find the reciprocal of the second number, which is 20/1. Okay? You have a couple of ways to do this problem here. You could just multiply numerators and then denominators and then reduce, or you could cross-reduce before you multiply so that you don't have to reduce some big nasty fraction at the end. So 1 and 5, they're already reduced because we have 1 and 5, but 4 and 20 can both be divided by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, 20 divided by 4 is 5, and now we get this -5/1 times +5/1, which is -25.